In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gamma app autosave error quickly and safely so you do not lose your work while creating presentations, documents, or AI-generated layouts. This is a really important issue because when autosave stops working, people often panic and refresh the page, close the tab, or keep editing without a backup. That can lead to losing changes, broken progress, or incomplete prompts. So before we do anything, make sure you watch this all the way through. And if this tutorial helps you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is not refresh the tab and not close the browser window. I know that sounds simple, but it is one of the most important steps. If the autosave indicator is failing or lagging, forcing a refresh can wipe out any unsaved modifications you just made. That means your recent edits, prompt changes, layout adjustments, or written content might disappear before Gamma has a chance to store them, so stay on the page and give the app a moment. If the error is temporary, leaving the tab open can sometimes allow the session to recover without losing data. Next, immediately protect your content by highlighting any newly written text, complex prompt outlines, or anything you have added recently, and copy it to your local clipboard or paste it into a notepad file. This creates a backup outside Gamma, which is extremely helpful if the autosave issue gets worse or your browser disconnects. If you are working on something important, I strongly recommend copying each section one by one, especially headings, bullet points, and AI prompt instructions. You can also open a separate Notes app, text document, or even a plain browser tab and paste your content there as a safety backup. This simple step can save you from losing a lot of work. After you have secured your content, the next step is to verify the server status. Go to the official Gamma status monitor and check whether their cloud infrastructure or presentation databases are experiencing a live disruption. If Gamma is having a server-side issue, the autosave problem may not be on your device at all. In that case, the best solution is often to wait until the service recovers. Keep your backup safe and return later when the platform is stable again. If the status page shows an outage or degraded performance, that is a clear sign the error is affecting multiple users and not just your account. While you are there, look for any messages about partial outages, elevated error rates, sync delays, or interrupted document saving. Those clues can help you decide whether the issue is temporary or something you need to troubleshoot locally. Once you confirm the status, you can continue working more carefully. If Gamma is still open and responsive, try making very small changes instead of large edits. Save your content in short sections and keep copying important text as you go. This reduces the risk of losing a large block of work if the autosave error returns. It also makes it easier to recover your progress if the page becomes unstable. Another smart habit is to keep a separate backup file open while you work in Gamma. That way, if autosave fails again, you already have a second copy of everything important. If the platform comes back to normal, you can paste your backup content back in and continue from where you left off. So the main fix is really about protecting your work first, checking for a server outage second, and avoiding refreshes that can make the problem worse. Those three actions can make a huge difference when Gamma autosave is not working properly. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides, app fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.